My name's Keith Marshall. I'm the Managing Director of Power. We're a manufacturer of specialist generating sets from 85 kVA up to 3 MVA. We've been involved with AMPS for 3 or 4 years now. AMPS has helped us significantly, particularly in technical areas. We're a very small manufacturer, so we have a limited engineering budget and engineering capacity to have access to the type of knowledge and information that we get through AMPS, including the technical committee, the helplines, the networking opportunity to speak to the technical experts. It's been hugely valuable to us, really helped us in some key technical issues such as the fuel directive, the emissions directive, interpretation of the machinery directive, really giving us a hand. That's our principal use of AMPS, but we do also use it as a very good networking opportunity to speak to the suppliers base. As a relatively small manufacturer, to have strong relationships with key suppliers like Volvo and MTU, Newage, through the kind of opportunities that a place like this, an association like this gives us, is a huge help, really does help us along. In terms of the impact if there was no AMPS, it would be very difficult for us as an association or for us as an industry to make our voices heard in terms of things like legislation changes. We do a lot of work with things like the machinery directive. We're currently working on a number of low voltage electrical directives. It would be very difficult for us to get our views heard and across and to try and affect those legislative issues. It would also be very difficult for us to keep some sort of continuity as an association and as an industry in terms of the commercial and technical matters that affect us. We spend a lot of time talking as the membership to identify what those issues are. We're currently working a lot with our members, a lot with the other members of AMPS on health and safety issues, so we all have a common approach and a common understanding. I think to not have this association would be very detrimental to us as an industry, and for us as a company we would lose a major resource.